Good day, YouTubers. Welcome to my blog, Ariel Almanin. So this is a course requirements of the OOP, the Object-Oriented Programming. So later we'll discuss about the 5 types of inheritance. So let's start. By the way, what is OOP? OOP is the way of writing computer programs using the idea of objects to represent data and methods. Usually computer programs were just a list of instructions to the computer, telling the computer to do certain things in a certain way, which is called procedural programming. 5 types of inheritance. First, the single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. So let's tackle first the single inheritance. In this inheritance, a derived class is created from a single base class. In the given example, class A is the parent class and the class B is the child class, since class B inherits the features or behavior of the parent class A. So this is some code using the C program. So hashtag include using namescape std. The parent is the class parent, public name string name1, then the child is the class child, inherit the public parent, then public string name2 and the int age2. The main function, the object1 name has printed at Almadin and the name2 is Ariel. Then the object1 age2 is equal to 21. So the count as family name is printed from the object name 1 and the counter of child name is of the object name 2 and object age 2 for the age. So this will be the output. Family name is Almadin, child name is Ariel, 21 years old. So next is the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. In this inheritance, a derived class is created from the more than one base class. This inheritance is not supported by net language like C sharp, F sharp, etc. and Java language. In the given example, class C inherits the properties of behavior of class B and class A at the same level. So here A and class B both are parent class for class C. So the sample code, the using C++ program. Hashtag include using namescape is really where the square public, the length, width, parent size, the count as square, count as length, count as width. So void area, get area 1, count as area, length times width. So the class rectangle, public int length 2 and width 2, void parent size, count as rectangle, count as length, count as width. So void get area 2, count area, length times width. So class class shape inherit the public square and public rectangle. So in shape object 1 length 1 is equal to 5, object 1 length width 1 is equal to 5, object 1 length 2 is equal to 2, object width is equal to 2. So parent size, so this will be the output. The square length is equal to 5, width is equal to 5, area is equal to 5, while the rectangle is length is equal to 2, width is equal to 2, and area is equal to 4. So next is the multi-level inheritance. In this inheritance, a derived class is created from another derived class. In a given example, class C inherits the properties of behavior of class B, and class B inherits the properties of behavior of class B. So here A is a parent class and class B is the parent class of C. So her class C implicitly inherits the properties and behavior of class A along with class B. There is a multi-level of inheritance. So this is sample code using again the libc++ program. So hashtag include using namescape std. The subclass, the base class is a class vehicle. In the public vehicle count as this is a vehicle. So the child has class four-wheeler, then inherit the public vehicle where is the base class. So public four-wheeler count as object with four wheels are vehicles. Then the subclass derived from the two classes, the class car will inherit the public four-wheeler, so create a public car, count as car has four wheelers. So the main function in main, so the car object return, then this is the will be the output. This is a vehicle objects with four wheelers are vehicle. Next is the hierarchical inheritance. In this inheritance, more than one derived classes are created from the single base class, and further child classes act as parent classes for more than one child bases classes. In the given example, class A has two childs, class B and class D. Further, class B and class C both are having two childs, class D and E, class F and G respectively. So using again the devzip program, so using hashtag include using the base class is the class vehicle, then public vehicle count as this is a vehicle, then the first subclass is class car will inherit the public vehicle, then the second subclass, the class bus, and inherit the public vehicle. So the main function is main car object printed and bus object 2. So this will be the output. This is a vehicle, this is a vehicle. Next one, the last one is the hybrid inheritance. This is a combination of more than one inheritance. Hence, it may be a combination of multi-level and multiple inheritance, of hierarchical and multi-level inheritance, or hierarchical and multi-path inheritance, or hierarchical, multi-level and multiple inheritance. So using last again the DeepSeek program, so hashtag include using namespace study. So the base class is class vehicle, public vehicle count as vehicle is a vehicle. The base class again, the class pair, the public pair, they count as pair of vehicles. So first subclass, class car and inherit the public vehicle where is the base class, and the second subclass class bus and inherit the public vehicle and the public pair. So the main function, so bus object 2. So this is the output. This is a vehicle pair and the vehicle. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.